A while ago, I posted my video for the full Tower of Terror with every detail from the whole line to a whole functioning ride, but now it's time for another needed update, mainly with lights. I used a light kit that was made for the assembly square set, and it worked out great for this. I just used the lights and put them at different points where they would work best here. And I actually have a link in the description to that set below. If you use the links, I earn a small commission at no cost to you, which helps support the channel. So if you're looking to get a light kit for some of your LEGO builds, I appreciate it if you want to check that out. I've lit up just about every section of this, so keep watching if you want to see each part from the Tower of Terror lit up and what it looks like now. If you've seen my last video of the Tower of Terror, you can tell these lights make a huge difference. I will definitely always be using light kits from now on to light up more of my builds. It really just takes it to the next level and helps you actually see so much more clearly all the detail. Along with the lights, there are a few other small updates, mainly just these open spaces in the roof here and walls so that you can get a better look at everything without having to take the whole thing apart. I still have the same things in place so that as you take off sections of this you can see better, but this just helps so that now you can still see most of the whole ride and line without having to remove everything. One of the lights that's pointed to the walls here slowly changes color over time, so you can kind of see that effect there. So now let's go through the whole Tower of Terror from the start of the line until the exit, both without the lights and then with the lights to see the difference. First we have the waiting line entrance and these lamp posts lit up. And then these smaller lamps lit up with the plants around. Then going inside the building, first is the lobby. Then into the library. And finally, before getting onto the actual ride, is the boiler room. With this one, I had more of the lights coming from below. And as you go throughout the ride, there are lights at different points for the different ride scenes. These are the same as before. This was the only spot where there actually were already lights, just to light up these different scenes, and so I kept those the same. And finally, after the whole ride is the whole exit. So the start of the exit, there's the lamps that are lit up and the area seeing the pictures. And then the rest of the exit as you make your way to the gift shop. So that is the whole Tower of Terror ride, line, and exit lit up, but there's still more. I still have all the Twilight Zone scenes in the back, and so I lit those up as well. And that is my whole Disney World Tower of Terror MOC lit up now. Thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss more Disneyland and Disney World ride MOCs that I'll be building, and more of my MOCs that I'll be adding lights to, like this one.